Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to securely activate the Keep Inventory feature on your free Aternos Minecraft server, so you never lose your items upon death. First, open up your web browser, navigate over to the official Aternos website, log into your personal account dashboard, and make sure your server is completely turned off before making any deep changes. Next, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu and click directly on the Options tab to open up your core configuration settings. Scroll down through this list until you locate the section labeled Game Rules. Find the Keep Inventory toggle and click it so it shows a green checkmark. Alternatively, you can click on the Console tab in that same left menu. Start up your server completely, and once it is fully online, type the exact command /GameRule keep inventory true directly into the command line and hit enter to apply it instantly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.